Hi guys, hi there. Welcome or welcome back to Wholesome and Natural Living. I'm Maudlin, and today I'm sharing my sweet green revival green juice. I know green juices aren't the most popular, but they are what you need in your life if you want a different option in terms of nutrient dense options where it's satisfying, it's refreshing, but also just good for you overall. And so today we're getting rid of all that winter, all the winter gloominess, and just kind of focusing and welcoming the warm weather and nature, and kind of getting into the summer groove. So we need glowing skin, right? So I'm going to share my sweet green revival. Let me tell you, it's a revival. All right, let's do this. This is very simple to make. You need dates. This is a whole lot of celery, like a big stalk of celery. This is a little bit of parsley. My kids will not notice. And this is one giant cucumber seeded, um, one lime, and four oranges. And it's all gonna go in my Nama juicer. All right, so I've packed my Nama. Again, celery, oranges, one lime, some parsley leaves that my kids, I hope they won't notice, a whole lot of dates, and some water just to get it started. Oh. Oh, the Nama J is doing its thing here. The pulp comes out here, and juice will come out here. Some more. Okay, and juice. Ah, okay. Such a beautiful thing. Okay, so here is the final product. So poured the juice off from here to there, and I poured myself a glass. This is very kid friendly. It's not as green. I do have another version that is so much more green, but this is just how I start them. And I thought that might be helpful to show you the transition um, into the truest form and the more leafy greens. So as usual, how do I like to sip this? On my patio, my AKA my kitchen garden, and just looking at nature and enjoying the beautiful views, and just really thankful for vitality, for my gut health, for my overall health, for my children's health, and just happy to live the wholesome and natural life. And I hope you consider joining me. If it's your first time watching, thank you so much. If you're a returning viewer, I appreciate you. Hopefully you'll give these a try. I have many more recipes to go. Hope you have a wonderful day or morning or whenever you're watching this. Sending blessings, radiance, and positivity your way. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day or evening. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you next time. Bye now.